Welcome back to Thyba recipes. Today we are going to show cashew banana milkshake. Cashews. Take 15 to 20 cashews. 4 bananas. 1.5 cup milk. Peel the bananas, cut into small pieces, then add cashews, cardamom, sugar, blend it well, then add milk in it. Required sugar, 1 cup water, blend well. 4 or 5 cashews. Take a saucepan, 1 teaspoon, then add chopped cashews. Water, add caramelized sugar syrup. Sugar syrup caramelized well. Transfer to a plate. Pour 1 tablespoon honey. Decorate toppings with caramelized cashews. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.